Good morning, community. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening, canning recipes, a little bit of everything. It's about 6:30 in the morning. We are getting close to the mid-60s. It's very calm, but that's going to change. It's going to change by noon today. We are going to get a very strong north wind at about 40 miles an hour, they said. Going to bring in a cold front. My security light just went off. Going to bring in a cold front, drop us into the 50s, I think, with wind chills in the 40s. So out here getting things watered and cleaned up and ready for our plant sale today. If those 40-mile-an-hour winds do happen, we'll have to close that plant sale early when that front moves through, because we cannot keep the big high tunnel open with such high winds. That's something that can be very destructive if we have that overhead door open. I don't know if you can see that. There's a little bit of light on it, but see all those buds on my pear tree? That tells me I'm gonna get me some pears this year. So I'm out here watering it because we are still very dry. And you all know that I've been watering this throughout the winter to make sure that we had a good harvest. And here comes the school bus. Poor old kiddos, I hate this time change. It's 6:30 in the morning and it's still dark. Gosh, if they would just keep it on standard time, it would be 5:30 in the morning and we would have light at 6:30 in the morning. So I'm being careful walking around out here while I'm doing all this, because it's snake season and they are starting to rear their ugly heads. We got about 12 yards of mushroom compost delivered because we have to top off our tubs. And we have to top off our raised beds this year. We didn't have to do it last year, but we do this year because some of the raised beds really shrunk from, the rain and the wind. And so we will have to be spreading this out very soon. And I'm excited to report that my green beans, my bush beans, are starting to pop. They're popping up here in this raised bed outside. Greg went ahead and took the tractor and dumped some of my compost in here, so I'll need to spread that out and get this planted. And look at these beautiful onions. Holy schmoly, these are my sweet onions. And these are my vidalias. Looky there, guys. I don't know what keeps coming up in here. Things blow around like crazy in these high winds. But look at how beautiful my onions are. This head of cabbage is looking quite beautiful. And it's getting a really firm head. So things are starting to pop here on the farm in this springtime weather, but there's so much more to come and so much more to do. And you can see our tomatoes are really taking off. Greg had to start trellising this week. So they are growing, and they are looking fantastic. And here are the plants for our plant sale. Our cucumbers, our squash, and zucchini are ready to go today. We've advertised, but things are really going, and you can see everything just looks so beautiful and green. So some of the things I'm gonna have to do is I gotta get my bed ready for my squash and zucchini, and my cucumbers ready to plant. We've got to get that compost moved around. We gotta have our sale today. Gotta clean the house, gotta wash my bed linens, gotta get my groceries in. So much to do, guys, and so little time. So right now we have a south wind, but looky there. There's a leading edge of something. I don't know if that's the front gonna try to come through a little earlier. So right now my little plant flags are from the south and it's picking up, but I bet, guys, that's the leading edge. Hear the donkeys. So getting ready for the plant sale. It's about 3 minutes till 9. I don't know how good we'll do today. We'll see. Last Friday it was kind of slow, but Saturday was very busy, so maybe we'll be busy tomorrow. Time to get busy, guys. Wanted to give you an update. Tell you to get your bush beans in the ground, your squash, your zucchini, your cucumbers. I think that our Freezers are over here in North Texas. You can either plant those by plant or you can plant those by seed. You got time. So any of the seeds that you need to go in the ground, like your bush beans, green beans, stuff like that, okra even. I'm getting ready to plant my okra. It's time. It is time. It is time. So love you all. See you soon. Take care. God bless. And stay warm this afternoon if you're in Texas, and stay cool tomorrow if you're in Texas. Bye-bye.